In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable the Woocommerce cart in just about 5 minutes. This tutorial is perfect for those who are running a Woocommerce store but for any reason need to disable their shopping cart. This might be because you're transitioning your site to display products without offering an online purchase option, or maybe you're setting up a catalog view for your customers. Whatever your reason, let's dive straight into how you can achieve this smoothly without any hassle. First off, you'll need to navigate to your WordPress dashboard. This is the control center of your website, where you can manage everything from posts and pages to the appearance and functionality of your site. Once you're logged in, you might see a lot of options, but don't let that overwhelm you. We're heading to a specific place. After entering the dashboard, your next step is to click on the editor. Now, if you're new to WordPress, the editor section may seem a bit daunting with its various files and code snippets. However, don't worry, you don't need to know how to code to follow along with this tutorial. The editor is essentially where you can directly edit the theme files of your website. But today we'll be focusing on something much simpler. Now, within the editor, look for a specific tab or option labeled with your site name, in this case, Creators Media. Click on it. This name may vary depending on how your WordPress site is set up, but generally it will be the name you've given your site during the setup process. Clicking here takes us closer to where we need to be to disable the cart. Once you've done that, you should see your site layout, and among these options or icons, you're searching for the cart icon. It's quite recognizable, typically looking like a shopping cart. Once you spot it, click on it. This action is crucial because we are now directly interacting with the element that enables users to view their cart contents. Upon clicking the cart icon, your final step here is to remove it by clicking delete. This action will effectively remove the cart link from your site's menu or header, depending on where it was located. Be sure to save your changes before exiting the editor to ensure everything updates correctly on your live site. And there you have it, a simple step-by-step process to disable the WooCommerce cart on your WordPress site. By removing the cart icon, you've essentially disabled the cart functionality, making it so that while customers can still browse your products, they won't be prompted or able to add them to a cart or proceed to checkout. A couple of things to remember. First, always make sure to back up your site before making significant changes like this. While deleting an icon doesn't sound like a big deal, it's always better to be safe than sorry. Second, if you decide to re-enable the WooCommerce cart functionality in the future, you can do so by revisiting the editor and adding the cart icon back to your menu. And finally, consider your customers and how this change affects their experience on your site. If you're disabling the shopping cart, ensure you communicate this clearly to avoid any confusion or frustration. Consider using this opportunity to showcase your products in a new light, focusing on their features and benefits without the direct push to purchase immediately. This concludes our tutorial on disabling the WooCommerce cart in WordPress. Whether you're streamlining your site's functionality, shifting focus to a different aspect of your business, or simply taking a pause on online sales, this guide should help you make the necessary changes smoothly and efficiently. Thank you for following along, and I look forward to seeing you in our next tutorial.